Hello everyone, I'm Vlad and this is a very simple tutorial on how to use the master calculator. If you want a more in-depth one with specific cases included, you can check Hazel's tutorial. The sheet in his tutorial is an older version, but it still works the same. There are just some few more features that are very straightforward and work the same way as the previous ones. So let's get started. First you go to your character page. I will use Yelan as my example. And you choose your level and your talents. I will keep mine 90 at 999, going by the KQM standard. Then you have to choose your element type for each attack, so the sheet knows which bonus to take. On Yelan she has Fizz normal attack, Hydro charge attack, Fizz plunge attack, and everything else is Hydro. Enemy info, level 100, 10% universal resistance, KQM standard. Weapons, I will choose Aqua Simulacra and keep it level 90 at refinement 1 with the passive on. Then I will choose for Emblem of Severe Fate and HP Hydro crit rate. I will also include on the full uptime buffs her Ascension 1, excuse me, which is a full uptime buff because you can't avoid it, and you should place this here and the buffs that are not full uptime in the rotation assembler. So I will choose 3 stacks and have 80%. This here is very straightforward, it's literally just your build. Then you will go to the rotation assembler where the actual calculation is happening, and on the first row you type the character name, and here you will get a drop down list with all their attacks and things you can use on them. I will do a very simple combo, a QE with 10 waves. So I will do burst initial hit, extend my Yelan tabs here, each column represents the attack, do a skill and exquisite throws. Now here the exquisite throws, it's not a single one, there are 30 of them in 10 waves, and instead of making 30 columns for each one, you can go to occurrences and type 30. Now here there are some menus, but we don't need this one for Yelan, so unless your character needs them, you can ignore them. I will have a future video where I will explain all the features and new features in this sheet. Next you are going to come to the conditional buff tab if you have any. Let's assume my Yelan has Vivi Shred, and I will come here to Hydro Resistance Shred, and let's say she has it only on the exquisite throws, so you type 30%, 40%, and at the same time she's also buffed by Kazuha. Let's say the bonus is 32%, and come here and type 32%, and this is where you allocate your buffs. And after this is literally all you have to do. You will see your damage here. Now one more thing you can edit is the rotation length. You can make it 20 seconds or 21 seconds or however long your rotation is. I will keep it 22, and here we will be able to see all your stats and everything for a quick screenshot. Now to optimize your damage, you are going to come back to your character page and set your energy recharge requirement. I will assume for my Yelan 170 ER, and after you get your ER requirement here, you just hit solve and wait for the solver to do its job. You can see here the damage is 325k, and it will change after it optimizes. it got a result, you click OK. You can see it's now optimized with the best subset distribution the solver could found. This is it. This is like really basic. Again, if you want a more in-depth tutorial, you can still check Hazel's tutorial here. If you want a better understanding of some of the features and maybe how to use them, I will cover in a future video soon TM. And for any questions, you can join our Discord server, which can be found here linked in the sheet and can also be found linked in the description. Thanks for watching.